welcome to our musky segment. I'm back at the dock and I'm one less hook on my top reader, so you can pretty much guess what happened. When you've got a condition in July and August where you've had 3 or 4 or 5 or more days of super hot 85 to 90 degree plus humid weather with no wind, those super muggy dog day conditions, and you're having tough fishing, well, if you hear thunder rumbling in the distance, get on your best musky spot, fish with one of your favorite lures, and you just might catch a really big one right before the storm comes through. And of course, make sure you're carrying a good hook cutter. Check this out. Wow, what a strike. Look at him pull line. That's unbelievable. Oh. That was unbelievable. Big dude. And look what's coming, folks. Take a look at it. Well, I've been talking about nasty storms with my camera crew here in the back of the boat, and we're just, well, you heard it all, wondering whether we're going to leave or not. And you know, we're hanging, see the little bay right here? We're thinking about pulling in this bay so we'd miss the storm. In fact, let's pull in this bay right now while I unhook this fish and show you what it looks like and put it back, and we might get rained on before this is all done. Oh, was that a great strike or what, folks? That was phenomenal. Oh, my friends, this is a giant. Oh, there's what it's all about, my friends. A classic monster thunderstorm with super hot weather. And you get yourself a big one right before the storm.